Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Judy and you're watching Running So and So, and welcome to everybody, new and old alike. If you're first time here, it's wonderful to have you with me. Thank you so much for joining me, and today is my Beyond the Pink Door Think Pink Sewcription box unboxing for number 30, I think it's 37. Thank you to anyone who has liked, commented and watched one of my last videos. I really appreciate it. So Beyond the Pink Door Think Pink Sewcription box number 37. The unboxing didn't go quite according to plan and I had to scrap it because I had a little visitor in the house. So I have managed to salvage some of the footage I took yesterday. So let's have our Beyond the Pink Door Think Pink Sewcription box with a difference. I'll see you very shortly after the music. So one of the things I really like to do is to keep this real. So off we go. And we can see through here. I think Andrea has got the new boxes. She did tempt us last month with new boxes. Are we ready? You can see just as... Oh wow. Oh, that is a rather splendid box, isn't it? So let's have a look. I love this box, Andrea. Oh, and look, it says Think Pink Sewcription. So let's have a little look here. Oh, this box looks interesting. Oh, and we just have a lovely, lovely sticker here that just says Think Pink, and we've got all of Andrea's details here on the side of the box. So off we go. Breaking the seal. Fade away. Here we go.
Drum roll.
Drum roll, drum roll, drum roll. I'm checking the... Oh! So let's have... Oh, I can see the fabric straight away. Do you know what I'm going to do, George? I'm going to go like that. Grandma's going to shut it. The box.
That's mean.
Shut the box. Shall we have a look in here? So there you go. That's what happened. We had George, didn't we?
We did.
And he chatted.
He's busy.
All the way through. So we have stopped. We have reviewed. And we have come back for day 2 of what we did yesterday. So here's the box. Less the soap. Because the soap is being used. Because it smelled so lovely, we just went straight into using it, didn't we? Yes, I've got a visitor.
Hello, everybody.
Lorianne is here. Now, a lot of you knew that Lorianne was coming, but we have both fallen in love with the fabric.
That is for sure.
I do think we should bring Andrea and say, have you got any more? Yeah. So here we are. I'm going to, in fact, if we actually fold it out a bit more this way. So there we go. Oh, I'm just going to tell you what I'm wearing. See You at 6 fabric, Linden jumper. And you're wearing... You're wearing Beyond the Pink Door fabric in an itch to stitch?
I think it's Love Notions.
Love Notions. Sure. I remember you making that. You made that when I was there.
Yeah. Anyway.
You made that because that arrived when I was there.
It's Beyond the Pink Door.
It's Beyond
Hi,
the Pink
Andrea.
Door. So here we go. So here we are. And I love to do this from underneath. So you can see straight away that the fabric picks up my colourways. And I'm going to hold it up, and what we were looking at yesterday is the beautiful flower detailing. So if I can, Lorianne, could you just hold it up there? We'll see if we can pick it up. So, and Hannah and I were looking at it, we thought we saw bits of difference. We think here, let's drop it down a tiny bit, this way a bit, try to do this and edit, got like a peony here, we've got like what I think could be a lily, and backs of carnations. I honestly thought I saw the back of a carnation on one of them. We've got the peony flower again here. I don't know what this one could be, and it was one I was looking at. It could be, no, it couldn't be there. There was one that I thought was, anyway, not going to go on about it anymore. But the colours, you've got these beautiful pinks and greens which mottle through into each other. And the pink lifts the purple, but the purple also lifts the pink. That's lovely. And again, look at the movement in this. It's absolute. It's got the movement, but it's got an element of structure. Put it down. Element of structure, covering yourself there.
She's
and it's
trying
got
to
the
cover
lovely,
me up.
And it's got a lovely bit of stretch. And looking at the stretch in this fabric, it's got me thinking about what it was that we could make with a fabric with stretch in it. Now, stretch will give you, if you've got something that's fitted to your body, it will give you an element of ease of movement. It will add ease to the ease, because it'll allow you to breathe and allow you to move with it. Let's move that back in a bit. So on that score, I have been out and I have selected some patterns. Now, we found all these patterns yesterday, didn't we?
Yes, we did. Or you did.
I found them all yesterday. And we put them all in. And then I thought, So they have to be shown in this order because I've already done the description box. So the first one I found was the Maia dress by Maison Fauve. And this is a very simple dress, bodice, skirt, a little bit of detailing across the bust. Let me show you the line drawings. I'm going to zoom in here to see the line drawings. So on the line drawings you can see you've got button front, a little bit of piping or detailing down the princess line. You've either got a bouffant sleeve or droite. Bouffant means like, what do you want to call it? Like a balloon sleeve, and droite is straight sleeve. Lovely dress, and you would get this easily out of the fabric in your Beyond the Pink Door box, and that is from sizes 34 up to 52. The next one, come out again, because I did edit that bit out. I think I'll lean forward because it stops with the writing. So the next one is one of my favourites. It is the lovely Zenith dress by Maison Fauve. So you can see here we've got that lovely bit of fan detailing at the waist, and that will give you that lovely bit of ease across where the bodice joins the waist, and with the fan detailing, the ease in the fabric will give you just a little bit more breathe movement. So the next one is the Alana dress, I think was the one I put down next. We've all seen the Alana dress. This is a beautiful dress by Atelier Jupe with lovely balloon sleeves, and it has some beautiful detailing around the neck and at the waist. Now this waist on this dress is definitely where you will feel the ease in the fabric given to you by that element of stretch. The next one I have here is a favourite for all of us. It is the lovely Lois dress by Tessuti Patterns. It is a true bias dress where the dress is cut on the bias and it has a little bit of cling to you. So the ease of movement in the fabric that you've got here will help with the wearing of the dress. Now, the next pattern brand is Trend Patterns. Now I've got a few Trend Patterns, but I've never actually made them because while some people might buy fabric, do you know what my weakness is?
Patterns.
Patterns. Absolute. This is the twist dress. Now I just thought the little bit of stretch in this fabric would help across the middle where you've got that lovely twist in the fabric. It would actually give it a little bit of extra, I keep wanting to say ease, but it would allow the fluidity of the movement of the garment. And you've got two options here. You can either have your little twist to the side or your little twist in the centre. Now I really like that. And it looks to me as if across the body it is actually slightly on the bias. And the final pattern is, I'm going to put the picture right here in the middle, is again by Trend Patterns, and it is their bias cut dress. And I think this actually would look lovely in the bias cut dress, even in the same fabric way, because you could actually twist the fabric slightly and get it to come, maybe do it the opposite direction. Or try and find some more plain fabric. So those are my suggestions for this wonderful fabric. Now I also was thinking, although these colours are absolutely striking, and the big thing about this fabric is it pops, that the colours are tending to say to me this is more spring or autumn, and we're going away to Alaska in August and it will be colder, so I was thinking because the fabric is slightly heavier, it's not a twill. I don't think it's not a, is it a twill, do you think, Maria?
I don't think so.
It's not a twill.
No.
I forgot to say there's 2.5 meters and there's 3 colorways, and I'm not going to mention the other colorways because I don't want you to spoil anybody else's unboxing or to spoil your surprise of anybody else's unboxing. So then, what else have we been up to? Well, on Sunday when you came, well, you came on Thursday last week, and on Friday you had a very quiet day, and then the visitors started to descend, and I had arranged a little bit of a sewing gathering, sewing weekend, a sewing retreat, whatever you want to call it. We had a weekend of sewing, basically, with our friends that we've all met through the sewing community, through online Zooms, and 1 or 2 extras, a few new to sewing, new people that I've met local to me, which has been absolutely fantastic. I took absolutely no footage on Saturday. I just sat back and enjoyed the day, and boy did we have a lovely day. We didn't stop talking, did we?
No.
We didn't stop talking, and I didn't actually sit down and aim to sew anything on Saturday. My aim was to make certain, I felt a bit like a facilitator, so I felt as if my role was to glide around and make certain that everybody had a drink on their table and they had what they needed, and my house became the Sewing Bee's haberdashery, because everybody kept coming up and down, because it was only down the road in the village, so every time somebody was short of something we shot in the car and came back up.
I forgot.
But on Sunday we did do a little bit of footage, so here you go with what happened on Sunday. So having been very quiet on filming over the weekend, I thought it'd be a good idea to perhaps do a little bit now. So Lorianne, what are you making, or what have you been making this weekend?
Where is it? The Ride Dog jumpsuit.
Right, or jumpsuit by Isoso Studio. How wonderful. And you
Making the shorty version, the little play suit.
play suit. How fantastic. You'll need that for your holidays coming up, not for Alaska. And you've also helped Judi, who made her first bag from the village.
Yes.
And then we've got George, honorary member. Mishi is making, hello Mishi, you came down today.
I did.
And you are making a little,
A bag
like a
like the
bestie
bestie,
bag,
but not the
not the bestie. And we had the lovely Annette here yesterday, and she's gone home because she's gone to a ploughing match. I'm doing my So Yellow for Endo project, which is the Skyline tee. And Christine is making a jacket. It's a birder jacket. Can I show it, Christine? Are you happy to come on?
You can.
There we go. Isn't this beautiful? I love the collar. Love that collar. And you and Alison have got probably the best seats in the house. Can I put you on, Alison? Do you mind being on? Well, you're on. Look at the two of them. They've got this big bay window to sit in.
And we've had sunshine.
And the radiator.
And we've had sunshine.
And they've had sunshine. And you're making an Esty for a friend, aren't you?
I'm making
No, is it an
the
Esty?
Erin.
The Erin
Erin
dungarees.
dungarees.
In the beautiful Nerida Hansen that we got from Andrea.
Yeah.
I got that one. I loved it. Love it. Loved it. Love it.
Yeah, I love it. Coming
Look at
together
that. Beautifully.
nicely. Strap.
And Alison has taken full use of the haberdashery that resides at my
I
house.
have.
She
Thank you
needed
very
thread, and
much.
what did we have? Exactly the right colour. We did.
Did.
We did.
Yep.
And then today it was a loop turner that she needed. Me, she needed to back up to the haberdashery to get a zip.
And I've got beautiful zips.
Beautiful zips. Watch zips. And Melanie has brought her lovely new toy. Look at this. And this is one of your first jumpers for Remy. Olivia.
5 to 6.
5 to 6. Is that not just lovely? And you've got your lovely new overlocker, haven't you? Your combination machine. Let's see it down there. It's a lovely little baby lock. Have you enjoyed making it?
Absolutely.
Ah, but you did something from Rachel, didn't you? You used one of Rachel's tutorials, and you did the binding on the inside. Yeah,
Didn't have any pretty, but there you go.
that's lovely. And Pam, oh, you're onto that fabric, Pam. What are you making with that?
Use my phonics.
Use your phonics.
Flowen.
Flowen.
Flowen. It's
Freya.
the free one.
Is this your So Frugal entry?
Well,
We'll zoom over it. And Rachel, are you happy to come on?
I'm making the Atelier Jupe SD blouse shirt.
Yeah. Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. I like that.
The long
And that
sleeve
beautiful
version.
fabric. Is it like a cotton twill?
Yes, it's a cotton twill. It's got animals, African
Oh,
animals
that's
on it.
fantastic. That's beautiful. Absolutely lovely. And Debbie, are you happy to come on? Are you happy to be on? Debbie is making, this is your second project, Debbie, isn't it? You're now doing the Donny shirt from the Friday Pattern Company. Here you are. Over on our ironing, and I must show you this, everybody. This is our cutting station. When the lady from the room said, can't do anything about the pool table, I went, don't worry about the pool table. Cutting table with a lovely shot of the City of York. Because this is York Minster. But it's absolutely fantastic, and we've been able to put tabletop ironing boards on it. What was it you made yesterday, Debbie?
I started the Emporia.
Patterns. Can't remember. Doesn't matter. So there we go. It's been a lovely weekend. It's a lovely big room, and I think we might be doing this again. Definitely doing this again. So much room. Oh, and then the bar opens at 2. That's basically it. Fantastic day, wasn't it?
Fabulous.
And we had a meal, didn't we?
We did.
We had a fantastic meal in the local pub on Saturday night, and it was just very, very simply organised. These things don't have to be big and extravagant, do they? They can be very, very,
great.
very simple. And my house was full. It was full of love and friendship all over the weekend, from Friday night all the way through to Sunday, when the last people left. And sort of like turning the light out in the room was quite a bit sad, really, wasn't it?
It was.
It was really, really sad. But if you're interested in a little sewing gathering in York, just let me know, because it might happen again in the same venue, because the venue was just...
It was
It was
great.
amazing. You'll see the two ladies that managed to find the best seat in the house. Right by the window. Absolutely amazing. And as for that cutting out table,
Wow.
we had a
that's
pool
big one.
table,
Yeah.
and it was perfect. So what we do next, you will have to come back and join me next week to find out where we go to and what happens next over the next week of our adventures. I'm at work still, but we have adventures every day. You have adventures every day.
Yes.
You have a very full programme.
She planned very well, and her daughter is taking me all over the place. I'm so
They are
lucky.
taking you all over the place. And then we are making one dash to West Yorkshire on Friday. A last minute dash to West Yorkshire to see Ollie. And you've seen a lot of George.
I have seen a lot of George.
A lot of George. And
Hannah.
And Hannah. And George was the visitor that came in. He wouldn't leave the camera alone yesterday. He would try to eat my Think Pink box. He's gnawed the edge of it. And he kept chattering, so we had to refilm. So for now, thank you so very much for watching. But before I go, if you are at the Stitch Festival on Saturday, do not be a stranger. We will both be there, and we would like you to come and say hello to us. Just come and tap us on the shoulder. Do not be frightened. Interrupt me. Shout my name out. I will speak to you. I am the vlogger that will talk to you. I will always speak to anybody that comes up and says hello to me. And you will too, won't you?
I'm the American that will hug you. Warning now.
So there you go. We'll speak and hug you. Please come and say hello, and we hope to see you at the Stitch Festival this Saturday. So take care, and we'll see you all again very, very soon. Bye. You going to say goodbye?
Hugs and loves, everybody.
Hugs and see you later. Bye-bye.